अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम टेबल ऑफ थ्री यानी थ्री का पहाड़ा अंग्रेज़ी में सीखेंगे।
Three ones are three,
Three ones are three,
three twos are six,
three twos are six,
three threes are nine,
three threes are nine,
three fours are 12,
three fours are 12,
three fives are 15,
three fives are 15,
three six are 18,